Okay guys, I'm really excited. My boy Shoebox is here and he's going to actually give me a package. It's really cold out. It's really cold. It's gonna be sick. Hey, enough. Let's go outside. Whew. What's going on, bro?
Good, bro. How are you?
How are you, man?
Good. Nice crib, man.
Oh, thank you. You okay to be on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Introduce yourself, man. The one and only.
Shoebox.
I'm good. What you wearing today?
Just some Air Force One tactical gear boots, man. Good for the winter.
Fire. Got
my matching shoebox pin to match my hoodie.
Oh, I didn't even think about
and your braids.
Oh yeah, exactly, guys. Look, it's gonna match my braids here.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh man, that's a sick. Yo, how did you even come up with like making pins and stuff?
To be honest, I'm been a designer for like 13 years.
That's it.
Huge into manufacturing and like products and stuff like that. So I kind of started with my drawings.
That's so dope.
And then I was like, what can I do that's gonna be like kind of like a quick turnaround based off my illustrations? So like right away I thought posters and pins. So
I'm excited.
Thanks, man.
I'm excited.
Got some goodies for you in here.
Hey guys, you see that? Thank you very much.
No worries, man. All right, man.
Cool.
Thanks, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
You too.
Thank you. We're gonna get into this unboxing. Let's go. I want to say a big shout out to my boy Shoebox. If you guys don't know who Shoebox is, well, you're about to find out. Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button, because yes, by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys some really big news. But yeah, so let's get into this right now. As you guys can see, we have this tube right here. So the link will be in the description below. You will actually be able to purchase what I'm about to unbox right now on the website. And if you don't have his Instagram, it's also linked under below as well. Or you can just check it out right there, because boom, guys, come on. Hit that follow button. I'm telling you guys are gonna really like this. Now, for sneakerheads, and yes, I mean sneakerheads, this I feel is essential, just because I feel like this is a great accessory to your collections. You guys see that? It says handle with care. Yes, you must handle everything with care, just like how you do it with your sneakers. So let's unbox this right now. Should I say untube this? Because, I mean, this is a tube, you know what I mean? So I guess I should say untube this. Let's check it out. Let's check this out right now. Oh. Oh yeah. Alright, so boom, what we have here is this is made by Shoebox. You can see that they are actually pins. You can put these anywhere that you want to, and I think that is so dope. The first pin that we're going to jump into is the Travis Scott pin. You can see the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. You can see the cream, the white, the black, and the brown on the pin. Looks so identical to the real thing. Oh man, this is so nice. And as you can see, it's got the @shoebox_, which is the Instagram as well. You see it's orange at the back of the card. It's a shoebox, and it'll say a digitally illustrated collection of Nike's premium sneakers. Welcome to the shoe community. With this purchase, 10% of proceeds will be put towards purchasing new sneakers for underprivileged kids. So not only you're buying a really amazing product, you're also helping kids out build their sneaker collections and have some sneakers on their feet. So I really think that's an amazing thing, and that's something personally I would love to do more often. If I could do something like this, man, just let me know in the comments down below how else I can help. Now, second, you do see the Diors. Now, this is so dope because obviously I'm not going to spend $23,000 on the real pair. So why not get a little pin to remind myself how broke I am? No, I'm kidding. I'm capping. And it's got the Dior print on the swoosh. You also see like that icy outsole. And of course, you see the mix of colors with the whites and the grays. This is absolutely fire. I love these. Man, these are really sick. And the cool thing about the back of the pin is that it's kind of like rubberized, so that's really cool. And of course it's also black, which is nice. Now let's get into the big body right here. Bam! Oh damn. Let's see. Hello! Yo guys, if you got to the video, subscribe. Yo, I think I'm gonna keep this thing right now. That's kind of cool. We have like this Dior. Is this a sticker? Please tell me this is a sticker. If this is a sticker, it's over, bro. Oh my god, that's so sick. Oh, that is so sick. So for every pin that you get, you'll be getting the exact same sticker with the Shoebox logo on the midsole. We got the Travis Scott sticker, but you have the Dior one. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anyone do this. Nike doesn't even do this. So Shoebox, shout out to you. I am excited to unbox this right here. Check it out. Oh man, I like the orange tape. One of my favorite colors is orange, so I'm really glad that, like, I don't know, just the aesthetic of orange is so cool. Oh, no way! Oh, Shoebox, man. Thank you so much, bro. Guys, I don't think you're... Oh, I don't think you're ready for this. This is so dope. We have the Jordan 1 Chicago off-whites and a poster. Oh my god, that is fire. You have like the Nike swoosh. This is Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago. And man, the print on this is so sick. And you can tell it's like customized and everything. I need to frame this. I literally need to frame this. He literally got like every detail right, including like the actual material on the side panel. You also have the air, like even to the zip tie. Man, even the little blue stitching. Oh man, this is fire. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so sick. We've got the Air Jordan Diors, and this is so sick. You got the oblique jacquard print. Shout out to Prince and CJ. You guys remember when we reviewed the Diors. We were obsessed with that word. Yes, the swoosh, the print on here with the Dior is called oblique jacquard. That's so sick. As you can see again, you got this gray background and it says Jordan 1 Dior. It's so dope because he didn't really have to do this in terms of texture, but he even got like the tumbling of the leather on the texture of the Jordans. Like he went an extra mile just to make this sick. This is so sick. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh my god, dude, this is sick. Check that out, guys. You have the Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. Wait, are these Mochas or Travis Scotts? I think these are Mochas. Wait, is it? Yes, okay. So this is the Jordan 1 Mochas, and you can see it looks kind of like a coffee shop almost. On the right here says color, sale dark mocha black and black. It's got the style code on the bottom too. And here it says release date October 31st, 2020. Man, that is so crazy. It says grab a pair. As you can see, it's literally got the price of it, like $225 on the left corner. Jordan 1 Retro High Dark Mocha served here. Dude, this is a sick design. Oh man, this is like almost like vintage, but it's not, but it is. You know what I mean? Like depending on how you put this as a frame, this is so fire, bro. Thank you so much. There you have it, guys. This is Shoobox. I really hope you guys enjoy his products, but I've also been messing with Shoobox because it is available at OD Toronto as well. If you do go into OD Toronto, his pins are there too. And now for the big news, I want to tell you guys something. So here's the news. You can now use the discount code FLIGHTFORHYPE20 to get 20% off every single purchase that you have on the website. It does help us a long way because we do get a little portion of that sale. I'm going to be hanging up my posters on my wall very soon. And I already used the pin on my vape bag as well. Let me show you. As you can see, this is the pin right here. You can put them on your hats. You can literally put them on anything. It's just a little nice accessory to have. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite poster, what is your favorite pin, and what is your favorite sticker. And if you made it this far in this video, then don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and smash the like button, and watch some of our other videos and let us know what you want to see more of on the channel. Having said that, guys, there's a lot of sneaker reviews on feats that are going to be coming very soon. Turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. We're about to take flight. Peace.